Hi YouTube family, welcome back to Tech One channel again. Hope all you are doing well. Today I am showing you how Excel can speak. Yes, Excel can speak the word that we type or word or number that we input in Excel. So today video is based on how Excel can speak word or number that we enter. We will be using the formula comes in MS Office called as speak cells on enter command in Excel. But before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red color subscribe button and click the bell icon for daily new videos so you never miss an update of my new videos. Also guys, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know on comment section below and I will make that video for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your comment as well. So before wasting any further time, let me show you how Excel can speak the word or the formula that we type. So we'll be going to Excel. So this is Excel 2016. So the formula that we'll be using is come under customize ribbon. So you just need to click on customize quick access tool, then go to more commands, then click on customize ribbon, then on the choose command from, there is a if you click that box, there is a one option called command not in ribbon. Click on that and you just need to search for a speak the command will be at the bottom. So this is the command speak cells on enter. Click add and then press OK. So the once we add that command into a ribbon, this type of option will be here. So you just need to click on this option to activate this function in Excel. So let me click on it.
Turned off speak on enter.
So the command got activated. If I write anything on this page, on this workbook, the it will speak automatically.
425, 525, 785, 786, 947.
So guys, you just hear that the numbers that I mentioned is speak by Excel. If I enter the name, let me enter my name,
Durrani Ashraf Khan.
okay, let me enter my channel name,
Tech One channel, Tech One channel 1.
yeah. So this way the functions is working. This is a normal function. You thought why we are use this function, but anyone, suppose me and my friend is typing a data in Excel and he just speaking and I am just typing it out. So if there is mistake, then Excel can let you know this the number that you enter is wrong, because the thing that we enter, Excel will be telling us that back, so we can know that the information that we are inputting is right or wrong. So guys, if you think that this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe to my channel and give a like as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Shabba khair.